Just a quick video to show how we can probe the face of anything in our vise using my custom Siemens 808 SINUMERIK screens. So point 1 is over here, and I'm going to probe this corner, in the middle, this corner, and this corner. So I've moved the probe to a safe distance because perhaps you may have I don't know, screws or a fixture in the way. But I have set the Z height of where I'm going to approach the face at roughly 10 mil. So you can see this is how the screen is set up, and I've saved position 1. All these values here are relative to position 1. If you want to, you can jog the machine and save these values here, but I've typed it in because that was easier for me. So I'm going to set G54 Z because I'm in Australia, average. So you can also change this to be the minimum, which would be the lowest height in Z, or you could set it to be the maximum, which would be the highest value in Z. And so I'm going to click probe, yes, and I'll hit go. So it's going to move in X and Y, then it's going to move to where I set the Z height, so that's there. It's going to probe that position and then move back to the safe distance. And the safe distance is not a value, but it's set by your position when you click start. So if you set that, I don't know, down here somewhere, then you could be in trouble, but it's quite easy to set it in the correct position. So position 4, and then position 5. Then it will move back to position 1 in X and Y. So then you can see that the calculated Z has also been updated on our screen there, and that's the Z face program.